I'm Scott the Nature Guy. I was out taking pictures in the yard today and I found these old milk cans. They sure show you how things were different in the past. Wow! Let's see how they got milk in the old days. Well, the first thing you need is a cow, or better yet, a herd of cows. You might like goat milk, but today we're going to talk about cow milk. Nowadays, there's all kinds of modern machines they can use to milk cows, but in the old days, they had to milk cows by hand. Milking a cow was fun, but it took a certain skill to do it well. Cows need to be milked twice a day and can give at least 10 to 15 gallons a day, but not all cows can give that much. After they milked the cows, they would transport the milk in these milk cans to a place that can pasteurize it. In the early days before cars and trucks, they transported the milk by carts and wagons pulled by horses, mules, or oxen. Before refrigeration, if you lived far from a farm, like in the city, you might not be able to get milk. To keep the milk from spoiling, some farmers would transfer their milk to milk trains that could quickly ship them to the pasteurization plants. Before pasteurization, people could easily get sick from drinking unpasteurized milk. Pasteurization is a process that through heat kills germs in milk. Louis Pasteur invented pasteurization. See what else you can find out about Louis Pasteur. He did some amazing things. After the milk is pasteurized, it gets bottled in sterilized bottles. After you are done with your milk, you could put the empty bottle on the porch with the note saying how much you wanted on the next delivery. There's nothing like seeing a friendly face deliver milk to your front door. Hey, that was really neat what we learned about milk. How did that get there? Nothing like a cold glass of milk. Until next time, I'm Scott, the Nature Guy.